back or to my channel. I am Big and Vicious, and if this is your first time here, what's poppin', sis? I hope you catch a vibe that makes you wanna subscribe. Okay, girl, so right now you guys see I got my little towel on, and as you can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a how-to mini twist tutorial. Okay, so as you guys know, I just transitioned over to natural last June of 2022, so I'm not even a full year natural yet, but I just wanted to bring a video to other ladies that are just like me, who are new, and you need a simple, easy protective style that will last and that's versatile. Okay, with my twists, girl, I can have them down, I can have them up, I can do all these cute different styles with them. So, but anyway, I have fresh, clean hair underneath here. I just got out of the shower. These are gonna be kind of like medium size, and this is very beginner. I'm gonna try to make it a tutorial by explaining to you how I do my twists, and hopefully you actually get it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, girl, let's go ahead and get into it. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys the products that we are going to be using. It's really simple, okay? So first things first, we are going to be using a leave-in conditioner. I choose to use the leave-in conditioner that is the exact same brand as my shampoo and conditioner, which is Design Essentials. So this is it here. This is an example of the leave-in conditioner here, and then this one is almost out, so I have this one, which basically is the exact same kind, except for it has a pump on it, and the pump comes really in handy. Like, and this conditioner has almond and avocado in it. And then the next thing that we're going to be using is a Shea Moisture foam. This is my favorite foam. I started using it, I feel like, when I was relaxed, and I just transitioned to also using it when I was natural as well, and I love it so much. So this is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-Free Curl Mousse with silk protein and neem oil. As you can tell, I use it so much that here's my new bottle, okay, girl. And then last but not least, water. And this is just in one of the misting water bottles. Love this water bottle. And then this is the brush that I'm going to be using. This is by Kiss. So yeah, so first things first, we're going to split our hair into sections, and I'm going to split them into 4s. Okay, girl, so now that we have the sections, we have one here, and then one here. I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side because this is the side I always start on. I suggest that you start on your more dominant side as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is re-wet my hair. So I'm gonna just take it all like this, try to stretch it out, and then just generously re-wet it. Now, here's the thing. Some ladies decide to blow dry their hair out when they do their mini twists so they can get ultimate length, but I don't care about length with my mini twists because when I put water on them, they extend to the length of my hair anyway, so it doesn't matter. So you can skip out that step if you don't want to use heat on your hair because A, it takes so much time, or B, you just don't want to use heat on your hair, so you can skip that step. Like some ladies, they go ahead and blow dry it out, but I choose to do my mini twist on wet hair. So anyway, now I'm gonna take this section here and then just split it in half, like so. Pin this portion up, and now we're gonna be working strictly with this section here. So I'm gonna be taking a generous amount of leave-in conditioner, and we're gonna apply that to my hair. And we're gonna start at the root and work all the way down to the end. Girl, I'm working on the end of this bottle, so look, you gotta tap it off, so you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get all these products, baby. Design Essentials is not cheap, okay? Okay, so now we got it in there. Looks beautiful. Curls are very nourished. Before we move on to the next step, let me tell you this. Some girls part their hair when they do their mini twists. Not me. Again, this is simple. This is easy, girl. I just take it and twist. Take it and twist. There is no parts outside of this one right here. That's the main part that we have. Other than that, we don't have no parts. But that's just me. Now, if you decide to want to make yours look really, really great, then you would need to like take a mirror and then be able to see where you're parting. You guys know that, right? I'm not that girl. I don't care about them looking good, that uniform to me. That's not that important. As long as they're the right size. So again, skipping out that step too, so you won't really see me use a comb. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I am going to now take this same section that I did here, and I'm gonna split that in half. And now we're working with this. So we're gonna pin this up here. And now we're just working with our little section right here. And this is what I'm going to use my Kiss Detangle brush, starting at the ends and then working my way through it like so. I love this brush. It does really, really good. Okay. So now, oh, so cute. So now I'm gonna take my foam and we're gonna apply this to this hair right here. Generously from the root to the end. Take this section, drop it down the middle with my finger. That leaves me with this right here. Now, some people use gel. I don't use gel. If you want your roots to look really, really good, you can apply a little gel here and then bring it down. I don't do that still. Again, these are the only products that I use. Because I like to use as less products as I can in my hair to avoid buildup. Anyway, girls, so we got this little section here. This is going to be our first twist. So basically, we're going to take it, split it in two. Over, under, over, under, over, under. Just twisting it all the way down. All the way down. And then when you get to the end here, wrap it around your fingers a few times. Get you a little cute curl and voila. Really simple, right? So we're gonna keep that same process up. Again, taking my nail here, bringing it down. Taking this little section here. And again, you get to determine what size you want your twist. I usually go for medium because that's just what I like. So we're gonna just be twisting, twisting, twisting. So basically, I'm gonna just do 4 on each row, making sure that I first apply my leave-in conditioner, foam, rake it through, and move along. So let's do that. Okay guys, so we got this first quarter done. I'll show you guys. That's the side. And this is the back here. Love these. So we are gonna go ahead and work this side here, and then I will be back when we start over here. So this is what we're giving from the side, and this is what we are giving from the back. As you can see, again, there is no uniform to the parts. We just grab and go. And it's just really quicker and easier than sitting and trying to find a part. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so now that we are on our last 2 here, I just wanted to say some more tips. So again, I don't use gel at the root of my hair because I don't need to. My hair doesn't really fluff up that bad to where I need to put a gel. The foam and mousse and water and leave-in conditioner, of course, is enough for me, but you determine based on your hair if you want to use a gel. Okay, again, I choose not to. Also, I choose to do my twist on wet hair, not stretched out, not blow drying out. Again, you know your hair texture, so if you want to blow dry yours out, girl, do it. However, I would still suggest that you, at bare minimum, make sure you're using a good leave-in conditioner, particularly one that matches your shampoo and conditioner. I just find that working with the same brands with my hair products, it works better, you know, versus choosing some that are different products, you know. It's just with mini twists, make sure that you're tight there at the root and keep it tight as you're twisting all the way down, and then you determine when you want to put the little curl in. And if your hair doesn't do the little curl thing at the end, which I'm not sure if everybody does or if it don't, I think I've seen some girls even just put little rods at the end of their hair to get that little curl. But yeah, this is it. This is the finished product here. As you guys can see, this side is already drawing up versus this side here. But again, I don't really care about the length of my twist. That's why I don't really care to pre-stretch out my hair, because once I put the water on there, it'll all come back like it should. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do in the morning, before work, I'll get right back here and hang out with you guys again, and I'll show you how I style my hair, and you'll also see how it looks once it's all dried up, the length difference. And also too, if you're wanting to pre-stretch out your twist, I know some ladies do that as well. They do it by banding their twist. You can use a silk tie or just a tie that won't, you know, pull out your hair to stretch out your hair. Again, once you put the water on it, for me, and in my hair, once I put the water on it, it comes back down. So I don't really have the need to stretch it, if that makes sense. Also, oiling your hair, moisturizing your hair. Mini twists is a really great way to keep your hair moisturized and oiled because you still have access to your scalp. It's a very versatile style. So every day I water my hair every day before I go to bed. Even when I wake up in the morning, I always mist it with water, as well as, this is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioner Leave-In Conditioner. It's one of my favorite products. I use in combination with water to keep my hair moisturized. I never put oil on my scalp. That's just me though. I used to, but I don't anymore, and my hair has not lacked any substance. You determine if your scalp needs that oil. I deal with dandruff. I deal with a dry scalp, and so with the natural oils that my hair obtain every day, I just choose not to put more oil on top of it. That's just how it works for me, because once I start adding oils, my hair starts scratching and itching because you got the sweat, you have your normal oil glands, and I just don't need any more oil on top of it. Now, I do oil my hair from time to time, but not often. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't. I just make sure that I'm keeping it moisturized with water, with that leave-in conditioner, and then also too, when I'm twisting my hair, applying a leave-in conditioner. That's just what works for me. But girl, you do what works for you. I have a homegirl who stands by the oil on the scalp, and it works for her. She has beautiful, long, gorgeous hair. It's just not for me. I can't. My hair will be itching every day. I can't stand it. I used to do it, but I can't anymore. So you determine that. But yeah, girl, I love this style. I hope that I was helpful. I don't know. Hopefully I was. But I will see you guys in the morning so we can do a little styling, and you guys can see when it's all dry. See ya. Good morning, good morning. So I don't want to do too much talking. I'm gonna just be styling because this video is already, I think, like 15 minutes long. So let's go ahead and get into the styling. So this is my hair the next morning. As you guys can see, quite a bit of shrinkage, right, from last night. It's cool. That's gravy. I don't care about that. So first thing I do is spray my hair with water. So I'm gonna just take a section here, stretch it out, and do this into the back. Paying close attention to my ends. They look so juicy. Okay. Now, this is my favorite style for work. I like to just take some here, like that. Leave one on one side. I think I'm gonna pull them all up today. I'll just pull them all up. Leave this one down. I'm thinking about locking this one, y'all. I just haven't done it yet. Pull out one more right there. Get them all really tight and pulled up to the top of my head. Take a scrunchie one time. This is my clip. It's a brown clip. It's so cute. I'm gonna take this clip, push it to the back of my twist. Claw clip it. Bada bing, bada boom. And we have ourselves a cute little style for work. All right, you guys, so this is the end here. This is my mini twist style here. I'll just show you guys the back. I just took two down in the back. I got my claw clip here. Really simple. But yeah, so this is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna get out here for work. Please let me know in the comments any other videos you would like to see from me in regards to natural hairstyles for beginners. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.